Okay, so time has finally come to talk about the next generation of AI, which is the Next-Gen Foundry Agent Service. Yes, folks. So Microsoft has made this service generally available on 16th March 2026, which is quite recent if you see at the time of recording this video. Remember, this is a fully managed platform which is purpose-built to take the enterprise AI from promising prototype to production. So what Microsoft realized was that all the organizations were kind of building POCs, prototypes, but what they were missing was how they could take the prototype or POC to production. And this service was actually released to bridge that gap, and we'll take a look. So what are the key features if I talk about the Foundry Agent Service, right? Let's take it one by one. So the very first one is end-to-end private networking. So what it means is this allows AI agents to run entirely inside a private virtual network or a VNet with no public internet traffic, which improves security and compliance. So it ensures all your data, tools, model calls stay within the organization's network, right? Now, a good example could be like a bank is building a fraud detection agent that only accesses internal customer data within its secure network. So what Microsoft is doing here is, as I said, it's bridging the gap from being a prototype to production, where the key areas are governance, security, right? All the guardrails. So all these are the basic artifacts which help you to go onto the production. Another new feature that they actually released as part of the next gen of AI agents is voice live integration. What it is it? So voice live integration enables real-time speech-to-speech interaction. So users can talk to AI agents and get spoken responses instantly. So you will feel as if you are talking to a human. You will be interacting with an agent, but it feels like a human is actually talking back to you, right? So this is called voice live integration. Again, a good example could be a customer support agent that lets users call in and speak naturally instead of typing. You won't even realize that on the other side there is actually an agent. You will feel there is actually a human that is actually talking to you. And this all happens in real time, right? As soon as you speak, the agent is processing it and it's giving the response back, right? The next one is enterprise grade evaluations, a very, very important or key fact, I would say, for taking POC to production. This provides built-in tools to continuously test and measure agent quality, safety, and performance in production. Obviously, if you're taking something to production, you would really worry about its quality, whether it's safe, secure, and is it performant or not, right? So all these are taken care by evaluations, and we call them enterprise grade evaluations. Don't worry, we will take good examples of all these in coming lectures. Now here a good example could be a company tracks whether its HR chatbot gives accurate and safe answers before rolling it out to the employees. Next one, and the most important one I'd say, is the new Foundry portal. So a lot of you guys might have noticed that Microsoft has completely revamped its Azure AI Foundry. Now they call it Microsoft Foundry, right? And this is a new portal altogether. And it's a single platform to build, deploy, monitor, and govern AI agents. So just think about it. In one place, you are able to deploy your agents, you are able to build your agents, even you can monitor and also do the governance of AI agents, which speeds up the development and control. A good example again here could be a team creates tests, publishes an AI assistant to Microsoft Teams for all from one dashboard. That's the beauty of the Foundry portal. Don't worry, in the next lecture, we'll take a look, deep dive into the Microsoft Foundry. Thanks for watching.